Hello guys, so welcome back to today's video. Today I'm going to talk about one simple way to make money online with no capital. This is very easy and very simple. In Ghana, you can make a lot of money, and this doesn't apply to only Ghanaians. It applies to anyone across the globe. So if you want to make money in Ghana or in any other place without any capital, if you're not having any startup capital, watch this video to an end in order to get better understanding. So if today happens to be the first time coming across a video of mine on YouTube, kindly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell in order to be notified whenever I drop any way to make money online on my channel. Kindly leave all the questions you have about this video in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer them accordingly. And like this video if you really enjoy the video. So without wasting my time, let's get back to the video. As I said earlier on, I'm going to talk about ways that you can make money online. So I'm going to talk about ways that you can make money with no startup capital. Sometimes I used to receive messages in my DM, Brian, I want to start a business, but not having 1,000 Ghana cedis, 15,000 Ghana cedis in order to go order the things and start earning. So I'm going to explain all this. There is no need for you to get 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 and a lot of money before you can start making money. It is not necessary for you to own a shop before you can start making money. So let's talk about dropshipping. So don't take it too broad. We are focusing on internal dropshipping, not internationally. Just dropshipping in Ghana. And dropshipping is kind of very simple when you get to meet the right suppliers. So dropshipping simply means going to the supplier, getting the stuffs at a wholesale price and post it on a WhatsApp status or any social media platform in order to get customers to order for it. So when the customers order for that particular item, but before you post the item on your social media platform or any social media platform, there is a need for you to add up some amounts in order to get that as your commission before putting them on your page or on your website. So assuming this phone is selling at $500, and I move to the supplier to speak to the supplier. Just simply move to the supplier, talk to him nicely. Some will understand, others won't understand. That is nature. It's very simple. So move to the supplier. Supplier, I want to start dropshipping and I want you to help me. So you'll be like, how do you want me to help you? And you go by these steps. You want to do an online store, get an online store for yourself, but you're not having any startup capital. So you want him to give you some of his gadgets at a wholesale price, or if not at a wholesale price, it shouldn't give you at a resale price, because you explain to him that you are going to be a reseller. So there is no need for you to get the price at a normal price. So this is what you have to do. Simply get it at a wholesale price or something lower than a retail price. So when the person gives the item to you as a retail price, you simply take the picture of the item, post it on the social media platform or other place. And when you get someone to order this particular item, so if in this case it is this phone, if you get someone to order this phone, you just move to the supplier and give the money to the supplier. Just take your share, take the phone and just deliver it to your customer. Very simple, very easy. So it is very simple. Get a supplier yourself, go to the supplier, speak to him for him to understand that this is what you're going to do. You're going to be a reseller. So he understands. He won't give you to you at a resale price. If this phone is selling at $500, you can make it $550. So when your customer comes to make payments of $550, you simply take off your $50 and send the $500 to the supplier, get a phone and deliver it to a customer. Very simple and very easy. There are a range of items that you can simply resell them, ranging from fashion items, cosmetics, electrical appliances, cooking utensils, home theater, a lot of items. So what you have to do is to simply move to bigger shops in Kumasi or Accra, or even if you're in Sunyani, you move to Sunyani, go to the bigger shops. Then you speak to the owner of the shop, and if the owner understands, then you start this business with him or her. With this, you're going to build a customer trust when you're able to deliver the item to your customer, which is going to help you get some amount of money for yourself, before you can start a shop by yourself. So this is very simple. So for those around Sunyani, I've taken it upon myself to speak to entrepreneurs or big shops in Sunyani in order to get some of their items at a resale price. So I'll start making the inquiries very soon. I'll do well to interview them for them to give their contact details for anyone who wishes to do business with them. So it's very simple and very easy. There is no fear in this. Simply move to them, talk to them nicely. Others will accept, others will reject. It's normal. So as I said earlier on, I'll do well to interview them and speak with those people. So if there is a need for you to comment in the comment section some items you will need to resell, kindly leave it in the comment section and I'll take it upon myself to speak to these entrepreneurs for them to help the young ones for us to thrive in this business capacity. Those selling sneakers, tops, trousers and a lot of stuff, there are these people who don't actually own a shop. They don't actually own a shop. They move to boutique by boutique, beauty products. They move to cosmetics to take pictures of these particular products, post it on their WhatsApp status. So when you make an order, they'll just go there, pick it and deliver it to you, and they'll just take their commission and they'll go away. That is what the Americans call it charters. Very simple. Go ask the price for this phone holder and it's 20 cedis. Then you simply add up 5 cedis to it. You sell it, you take your 5 cedis. Don't aim at getting a lot of profits from just a single product. It could ruin your business. So just put 5 cedis, 10 cedis on it, and as time goes on, you tend to increase it. And when trust is gained from you, you actually get a lot of customers. So this is very simple and very easy. I hope this video is helpful. If there is a need for you to drop any comments, or if there is something you don't understand, kindly leave it in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer them one by one. Thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Brian and I'm out.